Hello guys, how are you doing today? Hope you are cool. I hope you're fine. Today I'm going to show you how to cut an off shoulder sleeve. If you're having problems, challenges on how to cut an off shoulder sleeve, this is an opportunity for you. Just draw closer, draw nearer, carry your chair, sit down, cool down, cool your temper, and watch this beautiful off shoulder sleeve from the beginning to the end. I want to work on the off shoulder sleeve. The width is 10 inches. The length is 14 inches. So I'm going to measure 5 inches. I measure between 5 inches and 6 inches, but I'm taking 5 inches here. Then I'll now draw a line from here to here to the tip of the sleeve. Why I'm drawing a line is for me to get my midpoint. So the midpoint of 11 is 5.5. That's my midpoint. So the measurement for the round of the hand is 8 inches. So I'm connecting it from the 8 inches to here. I don't want to use a curve ruler, I want to use my hand. So this is what I'm doing. This is the normal sleeve first. Normal sleeve. So now, as I measure the normal sleeve, what I'm going to do now, as you can see from here, this is my armhole. You measure from here to here. I cannot measure myself, but I know that my own is 10 inches. From here to here is 10 inches. Then I'll divide it into 2 plus half-inch allowance, which is going to be 5.5 inches. So this is my 5.5 inches here. I will then draw a line. This sleeve I'm showing you is very, very important. So I'm joining it to this other line. You will come here. Is either you measure half-inch or 1 inch. Some people they measure 1.5 inches depending on how you want it to come down. So for me, I'm going to take 1 inch. So I'm taking 1 inch. I'll connect from here to this point. Then I'll cut. If you don't understand, drop a comment at my comment section so that I will answer you. Please subscribe to it. Subscription is free. I'm not paying for it. So this is the off shoulder sleeve. Perfect off shoulder sleeve. So this is how to cut it. I've shown you how to cut the front part of it. I've shown you how to cut the back and the yoke. This is the sleeve now. So please subscribe to my channel. You're not paying for it. It's free for you to be notified anytime I post a video. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching my channel. I have videos on fashion trends, on different kinds of clothes, different styles, which you like it. Please just check out. There's a link at the end of it. Just click at the bottom. It will take you to where other videos are. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you so much. subscribe to it. Stay safe. I love you guys. Bye.